This is your Sculpey tip of the month. If you have some clay that is a little bit too firm or seems dry, you can soften it with oven bake clay softener. So I'm just going to tear a little bit off and work it into a very thin piece, and then I'll add some of the clay softener that I've taken from the bar. Then you can work that in either by hand or with a pasta machine. You don't have to worry about using too much clay softener because there's no pigment in it and it won't change the original color of your clay. This has been your Sculpey Tip of the Month. For more Sculpey tips, please follow our YouTube channel.